What's up? It's Susie from Hate Real Hate, and I'm bringing you one of my family favorite, probably most used recipes. I keep it in my arsenal. It's always in my back pocket to pull out when I have leftover chicken. This is my smoked chicken salad, served chilled with cold grapes, crunchy veggies, and a really delicious, creamy, zippy, bright dressing. It is the perfect way to use up any leftover chicken you've got stored up in your fridge. So let's do it. Now, I tend to batch cook chicken breasts, chicken thighs, very simply seasoned with my chicken rub so that I can use them throughout the week for different things, enchiladas, nachos, whatever. But when I need a quick lunch, having this chicken prepped and ready to go, I can toss together this chicken salad for some sandwiches, and it is an absolutely delicious, easy way to go. If you don't have chicken already ready, then you can smoke or grill it, whatever flavor profiles you like. But I will say for this recipe, using the chicken rub is kind of the secret ingredient. It gives it just the right amount of extra herbs, a little bit of heat, and then the smokiness that it gets from the grill makes it the best version of chicken salad you'll ever have. So I just give my chicken a rough chop into bite-sized pieces and then into a bowl. Once we've got our chicken chopped, it's time to add the rest of the salad ingredients. I've got some toasted chopped pecans. A lot of these are interchangeable, so I've also done almonds in here, and it's very delicious. Chopped celery for some crunch. I like to use grapes cut in half, red grapes. Sometimes I add in apples, or I'll use dried cranberries if I don't have fresh fruit, and some green onions. This is a really flexible recipe. I'll give you the base amounts and ingredients, and then you can kind of go wild and make it your own. Next up is our dressing. I start with a base of mayonnaise, and then I add in my Zesty Gold sauce. This is a mustard-based sauce, but it has some honey and brown sugar and a little bit of vinegar. Very well-balanced flavors. It makes the best chicken salad, but we also use it for egg salad. We use it when we're making tuna salad for our kids. Couple of tablespoons. If you don't have this, you can use Dijon mustard or even spicy brown mustard if you want a little bit of extra heat. Some red wine vinegar, some fresh Italian flat leaf parsley, celery seed, and some salt and pepper. Whisk your dressing together, pour it over your salad ingredients, and just like that, you have a really beautiful, really quick smoked chicken salad. Chicken salad was always like a fancy lady meal to me. I don't know why. It was always served at like baby showers or wedding showers. So when I finally got old enough to go with my mom to the lady functions and I would eat chicken salad, I felt so grown up, but I still love to make it to this day. They would always serve it on those like tiny croissants, you know? I don't know why that made me feel so fancy. If you have that chicken cooked and all you have to do is dice some vegetables, it comes together in about 5 minutes, making it the quickest, easiest, and most delicious lunch, which is probably why I have it every single week, and I don't know why it took me so long to make a video of it. But I like to pile high some rolls. Those like King's Hawaiian slider rolls are amazing. A good toasted piece of sourdough bread, or when Todd and I are trying to not eat as much bread, just piling it up on some romaine lettuce is a fabulous way to get a lot of really delicious flavors in a really quick meal. I don't want to brag, but I think it's the best chicken salad ever. It's the smoky, juicy chicken, the crunchy pecans, the crunchy celery, plus the grapes and the dressing. It's perfectly balanced. It's exactly what it should be. I hope you give this one a try. When you do, head to the website, leave me a review, or snap a photo and post it on social media so I can see it and cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. See you next time.